What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Unreal Engine 4 game development live stream where we're working from scratch, making a action RPG kind of adventure game called Project Hero from scratch using Unreal Engine 4, C++ blueprints, and the gameplay ability system plugin. So last time we were kind of looking into trying to get loading screens to work. Honestly, loading screens aren't too overly complex, but the form of loading screen that I want to do, I can't seem to find that much information about, at least within Unreal Engine 4, so that's kind of annoying. So just to kind of recap, what we wanted to try to accomplish is getting a loading screen that actually shows accurate progress bars, showing you how much of what you're trying to load is actually loaded. And, we found some information, but nothing that was too concrete that we could actually effectively make something. So I kind of wanted to push away from that topic just because it seemed to lead to nowhere for now. And I kind of wanted to do some cleanup here. So I wanted to fix some stuff in regards to like how the character moves and the animations and stuff, trying to fix some of the abilities and animations, because we used to have like dodging and rolling and stuff like that, but it broke when we got the new skeletal mesh and all the new characters and stuff. And you can also see it with the weapons and stuff like that. Like we have the axe and shield like on attached to your leg. So I kind of want to fix that and look into what animations we kind of have within our project to try to kind of fix that. So that's what we're going to work on. So I know it has to all start with the character, right? And we should have some stuff. So default weapons, right? We have axe and shield. So I'm curious, I forget how those work, so I need to like refresh my memory. So I think we can go to our project, and what is it going to be under? Is that going to be under player character or character? So we have all this stuff. Let me just look for, it's an array, right? Default weapons. Yeah, so we have populate default weapons. So let's look at that. So it does a for loop. So primary weapon, skeletal mesh weapon. So do I attach them anywhere? We get the weapon type. Kind of confusing with this. Like, I know what it does. Like, it gets the sets the scale and all that stuff, but it's all this like weapon crap. Like, where do I attach it? So that generates the character abilities, blah blah blah. So time dilation, inventory, debug, granting abilities, blah, sprinting, spring arm, the camera, crouching, all the different bindings, begin play, possess. We're setting up attachments and scene captures. Okay, so we have these components. Yeah, primary weapon and shield. The stowed primary weapon is it was in the old mesh. I'm kind of curious. Do I actually need this functionality? No, so we didn't. Yeah, we do need that functionality, so that's kind of derpy. We might have to move that to C++. Move this. Move to C++ at some point. So that seems like it's required. That's fun. Because without that, you don't get the actual UI stuff working at the top there. But nonetheless, let's focus on what we want to focus on. So, like, I would imagine, like, how it used to be before I got the new assets. I think it's like mannequin. I don't know what. I think axe and shield was the one. Go to the skeleton. Yeah, there's shield socket. Yeah, so there should be shield. So there's shield socket and stowed shield. Stowed shield is attached to what? Spine 03? So it has some sort of offset. So I'm wondering potentially what we need to do. So let's get the skeleton. Maybe we can actually like literally copy what we have. Copy selected sockets. Paste. So we have stowed shield. And it's pretty much in the same place. So I wonder, will it attach? No. Let's do it in blueprints then. Let me just check this out. And so what am I doing in code? So we're not actually doing anything kind of in code, but so we're already attaching it to the thing by default. So shield is where it needs to be. And this shield is all types of fucked up in terms of its relative transform. This one is not. So if I do something like that, like obviously we have some clipping, but I'm wondering why this one like where is this coming from? That's because of the population. I believe, that we're doing in code. When we do populate default weapons, right? So if we, for example, comment that out, we shouldn't have we shouldn't have the weapons at the bottom. Okay, so we got that problem again. I don't know why that happens from time to time, but it does. So hero game, hero, intermediate binaries, bye-bye. Just nuke that. Continue, of course. And then regenerate project files. I should be able to open up the solution again. Now we should be able to compile correctly this time. At least that's the hope. We gotta wait for it to prepare everything. Hopefully you guys can see all that. It'd be nice if we were able to figure this out. It's been so long since I looked at this code, and obviously my code's garbage. So it'll be interesting to kind of see, because again, the actual population is like we're setting the skeletal meshes, right? They set skeletal mesh. Current weapon, like this is for whatever like not working or something like that. We should be able to recompile now. Fingers crossed, at least. I should maybe ask in like the Unreal Slackers where to do that thing with the UI and the loading screen. I don't know if it would be UMG. Or if it would be, I don't know which category it would be under. Don't know. We'll have to figure that out. All right. Maybe now. Let's see. So we shouldn't have anything spawned, right? Right. Okay. And we have the shield. But I want to player character. I don't actually want to do something like that. Can I get the default weapons? Like 4 each. Get class defaults. And switch on weapon type. I should be able to print this. Should be able to get like shield. Because I have a shield. Right? No? At breakpoint. Ah, I don't. Step out. That's fucking weird. Okay. Anything happen when I just print out the type? Or is it gonna fail? So they're both primary weapon. Interesting. Default weapons. So shield. I don't know why that was shield. Not shield. So now we got primary and shield and then blah blah blah. Okay. Now we should be able to do something like that. Good, we got hello. So now we should be able to say something. I do like load object. Load. So construct your item weapon base. So outer, I mean, can I just say self? I don't know if this is gonna work. You just print. Of course. So cannot construct objects of type thing. Okay, so that's just a no. I could create, yeah, I could spawn actor. Excuse me. Gotta move the class default. I guess I could just do something like that real quick. Spawn transform, I guess it doesn't matter, because we're gonna just attach it. Or I can do like get socket transform. And now I gotta remember the socket that I added. I think it's called stowed shield. We'll get the parent bone space maybe. Always spawn instigator self and owner self. Let's just see where that might end up. Because it might end up with the sword and the shield in that one place. So maybe we could just do a switch on get weapon type. No. Defaults, yeah. Switch. So the shield should only spawn. It's not gonna be attached, but let's see if we're. So that didn't happen. So is there a shield somewhere? Let's eject. So it spawned up here. So maybe it's because of the whole parent bone space. So let's try all options. Eject. Still up there. Actor. Still up there. And then world. Alright, so they're all wrong. Maybe because the transform is... Well, it's actually here. Why is the offset so bad? Returning, so it is returning values. Okay, obviously, yeah, it's not attached. You say attach component to the parent. It's going to be mesh. Can we snap to target? That's really weird. Well, it is attached, so it's just moving. What if we make this mesh a different one, for example? Like an elf shield, right? That could also stay fucked up. Yeah. Okay, let's add a preview asset shield to elf shield. Like, that seems fine. But yeah, it doesn't. It's so weird. Let's repopulate now our default weapons. I don't know why Ryder's like, I'm not gonna recompile. That's a cool story, bro.
Look around, Ted. You're all alone.
What's wrong?
Why is this so hard? I don't want to fight all the time.
I don't know. It's awful.
Oh, so Ryder's being mean. Can I cancel? Right. That. Okay. Can I say pop? No. Alright. I don't know what Ryder's doing. So that's cool. Let's reopen it. Let's clean out our recycle bin.
So what does that mean? Are we...
It's been a stressful day. And tomorrow's gonna be stressful too since I haven't caught up on my 2 hours.
Alright. Ryder is just not opening either. Should really look at Microsoft Teams. I might have something in there. Battle.net, no. Do I really need Battle.net? Exit. Parsec. VPN. Is there something open with writer? Yeah. Let's try that again. There we go. Now we gotta wait for the solution. Boom, boom, boom. Really need to figure out what the hell's going on with this offset. It's pretty interesting. And by interesting, I mean annoying. Now that it's processing, yes, there we go. The color's changed. Therefore, I can recompile. That's the rule. Man, I'm so exhausted today. I went to bed at like 5 in the morning and I woke up at like 7:30. I don't know why I couldn't sleep. And then I had to work 9 hours until 6 p.m. So 9 to 6. And then I just got back from the gym. And I was cooking meals all day. I really hope I fall asleep easily after I shower tonight. That'll be very convenient. I should just stop. I think my problem is like I watch YouTube and like I have something playing from my computer when I'm trying to fucking sleep. I shouldn't do that. Okay, well, now the shield's on. Okay, fine. Ah, what the hell just happened? Let's go again. Okay, let's look one more time. Yeah. That looks okay. I gotta see there's this hood, but whatever. Whoops, sorry dog. Or wolf, fox, whatever it is. But it looks decent. So it's properly attached. So now we still have that axe. So I'm just wondering like if the axe can be held like correctly in this hand. Or if like there's an issue with the running animation. Let's just first put in the right name. So no, mannequin. We gotta find the sword, the axe and shield one. So that was the original. Was there axe? So stowed axe is on the side. Oops, I did not mean to do that. So maybe we could probably just copy that as well. So copy. It's on pelvis. So let's see, we could paste it. It's just open up a whole world of pain. So stowed axe. So it's there. Right click. Oh, fuck. Whoops. I don't know what. Oh. Yes. Oh no, I gotta just redo the child. I'm stupid. Axe. Alright, I need to just remove all attached assets. Do it again. Oh boy. Axe. Wham, bam. That seems okay. So do I have an axe somewhere? Okay, it's still there. So let's populate them. So primary weapon. Yeah, stowed primary weapon is the name actually. So that's a my bad. Let's go back. Skeleton. Stowed primary weapon. Let me just check that out. I probably need to do the same thing on the female. We'll see. All right, so there we go. So maybe a little more. That and out. Maybe. I feel like that'll look weird. Yeah. I just don't like that running animation. Let's see. Well, at least we got it attached to the right socket. At least now that at least not floating underneath us. Yeah. So it's looking a little better already. Let's go to where play your character. Round, yeah, this is our animation. So let's go to the atom graph, default state machine, idle and run. So this is the blend space. So open asset. So that's the run I want. It's not the run that I have. Why? Alright, we spawn. Let's eject. Let's see this dude. Yeah, it's using rifle. Why is it using rifle? Maybe it's because of let's see. I know we have like a data table presets, yeah. Well, let's just do all male. So I don't want rifle for now. So by default, it's not going to be rifle. Okay. I don't like how it's called data like that. Can I just call it DT? It's for data table. Is there, to keep all the references, it has no. Where's the cleanup redirectory? Fix the redirectories. No. Reference viewer. Boom. So still wrong. Now our character preview is also broken. Might be because of how we changed our levels. So we go just directly back to forest test map. Yeah, we're okay. So the female breaks, obviously, but that's fine. Oh, this is the wrong data table. All right. Ugh. Do I have a data? Yeah, DT character creator. Thank you. Ugh. Yeah, just 2 of them. Yeah, I don't want rifle. I just want normal. This is how long I've not been messing with the game. I really need to get my shit together. Okay. I don't like where the sun is, but whatever. Da da da. I mean, FPS is garbage. So I wonder what's wrong. Window levels. It's probably because there's 2 of them. No. So what the hell is that? So Windows, whoops. I don't want layers. Windows levels. I just remove it. There we go. Okay, so that's broken again, which is upsetting. Not sure why. Not sure. J. Eject. Oh, it's because of the level. I'm so dumb. Add existing maps, character preview map. There we go. Just don't like the shakiness of that. That's something to be desired. But okay, we fixed that. Thank God. All right, now we gotta fix again the. Maybe it's better back down here. Yeah. The running's kind of funny looking, but whatever. But it's like that. Okay. Do we have any interesting jumping? I wonder. Alright, do we have anything about fixing sword and axe and shield? So there's equipping and unequipping. So there's some mail stuff, but that's pistol stuff. Okay. So mail. So custom run narrow arms. Maybe that's better. Right. I wonder why. Run. Am I able to add? I always forget how to add a point. Do they have a different skeleton? Yeah, they do. So that's wide. And what does narrow have? Narrow arms. So what's the difference between these two elves, I wonder. Fine. Or add animation to blend space. Like, I'm kind of confused of why it's being annoying.
So on the direction bit, if I hold down shift and then move my mouse, as I move this on the grid, you can see essentially
Yeah, we know about that much.
changing the direction that the player is walking in. And the way that it's doing this is by having a bunch of given. Here, opposite side, move quicker and easily.
How do I add a point?
This blend space that you've just seen here.
Okay, can I just do... Alright, so maybe I can have something like that. And I know I have a DT for... or curve table. Miscellaneous. There could be a curve table. Hero ability values? No. Maybe I can make this 400. So, no. So what's the calculation here? So 400 times, and what was that? 1.75. So 700. I guess we could do like 800. The 8 points. So that could be like your normal walking running, and then that seems too fast. Maybe 3. I guess 300 was fine. Do. And then calculator again. 300 times 1.75 is 525. So something like that would make sense. It's like that. I don't know. I'm trying to find like the best value. I guess 400 is the best value, but then I gotta change one, maybe to like 1.25 or something. So I know I gotta go to Google Drive, and then hero game development, hero ability values. So I do have a hero spoon multiplier. Let's do 1.35. File. Download. I don't think it's that one. File, download. Yeah, CSV. Hero. No. project hero. Data tables. I think it's hero ability values, right? Yeah. Re-import 5 now. Calculator 400 times 1.35 540. So that should still be okay. So 400. Yeah, that feels better. I wonder if I could change. Are we making it slower be better? Or be faster be better? Not sure. All right, let's work on actually making everything kind of more unique to our player character. So, character, I guess we could just say motion. So then we have like things like, all right, let's just say animation. But it should really be backwards. Animation. And then blueprint. Anim sequences. Blend spaces. Anim montages. Okay. So let's go back here. Let's close out of everything. So third person male. Sorry, give me just a second. Okay. So I should be able to, in theory, copy that. Do APB main character, elf male, then just derp him in. Now I shouldn't see any change in behavior. Ugh, what the hell is that? Oh no. That's whatever. Alright, so it still looks the same, right? So la di da di da. We're on a merry way. We're having fun. We're having fun. Doopity doopity. Okay. So now we do that. Let's go to our anim graph. I'll run an asset, browse to it. Now let's move. that to our blend space. I'll just place the middle, I guess. I'm gonna go back in here. Do that. Can we review this? Yes. Okay. Okay, so again, it should still kind of feel the same. So there should be a better animation, but I'll probably have to retarget it. So sprint, right? So that's a pose. I thought there was something from. Is it lazy? maybe run is the better. Animation. So that all still looks the same. I could have sworn that we had like an interesting sprinting looking one. I think I want to implement an auto run feature. Okay. Plus debug. Okay. I can't remember. Yeah, I wonder if that's too much. Charge boost, charge dash. Like, I wonder if that's too much either, too. Like, if it should be like that, or if it should be like that. But I guess if you're sprinting, maybe like should you have your shield like still attached in your like a thing in your face? I don't know. Definitely got, well, if you want that, then we got to, oops, we got to create a copy of it. And I guess we gotta make a copy of all of these. I wonder what the jump stuff looks like. So yeah, the jump has a lot to be decided, but okay, open assets. All right, we'll start relaxed. Wonder what these two look like. Well, it's kind of hard to see. I'm kind of all over the place with what I'm looking at right now. A lot of things to do. So elf, and then we want to do skeletal mesh. Did I say like full? No. It's hard to preview. I guess I could do it in the hero character right now. Well, I guess that's how you would look at it, but he's not. Well, he is blinking, but his mouth's not opening that much. Whatever. Alright, we're sidetracking. Open assets. Okay, we'll do elf male. Just to categorize our stuff better. So, copy. Oh, no. Ugh, I hate force deleting shit. Okay, let's just do it. Yes, force delete. Okay. Move. So redirectories, just close because the editor is going to run a little slower. Oh yeah, I gotta do some cooking too. God damn it. Just realized. Okay, so animation, blueprint, blend spaces, bum bum bum. Sign up sequence as elf male, so this one's idle. Just confirm. Yes. So retarget animations, duplicate and retarget. Alright, so we gotta relearn again how to do retargeting. So E4 retargeting. Okay. Why use retargeting? So typically you want to use these settings for bipeds. So retargeting manager. Um, don't want to re-import. Okay, so I need more information on that. Okay, so I have to go to the skeleton. Retarget manager. Let me just stop the music.
Alright, so now we can go back. He still doesn't change. Scale goes up. So, first thing, an MVP here, and we're going to retarget, duplicate. Oh, nothing shows up. So, first thing we need to do is go to our mannequin's rig, select the humanoid rig in the mesh folder, and select the rig, select the humanoid rig.
Okay, select humanoid rig.
Save. Alright, so now we can go back to our animation.
Okay, and do I have to do it for like my male as well? Okay, it is humanoid. Okay.
Retarget our animation blueprint. And he still doesn't show up. That's because we need to set it on him as well. So we'll go to his skeleton, select humanoid rig, save.
Okay. Now we created that. So should it be able to appear? That's pretty cool. So let's look. So I did it. Okay. So this is not referenced in our character blueprint. See. Still not playing the right animation though. Do I have anything for animation? No. Is there anything with animation? No. Let's reject. So top mesh. Interesting. Do I have to like save everything? I'll try to recopy. I'm gonna try to get this animation going. So why? Is it because it's not using? Reference. What is in there? Let's look. Well, I mean, it's supposed to use that one. Is it because it's because of the data table? Yeah, so character, you see character creator. Yeah, that's why. That looks interesting. Now I wonder. Would making it faster look better? So we got da da da, and then yeah, that does look kind of good. I like it. I don't like the collision that's happening though. It's on the spring arm. Is there collision? Do collision test. Yeah, I think that looks cool. Like, should the player move faster by default? Maybe 1.5 was a good answer. And then so here, re-import. Yes, the out. Default or initialization. So 400. So it's gonna be 600, 1.5. So let's look. So we're running and then that looks pretty good. Where's our idle? Yeah, for now. I mean, let's do a little bit of cleanup. So a male, third person, dash. Do I have this? Do so many redirectors? No. Let's just generally clean up the rest of this. Or we have this. Let's just create the copy. Can I make this wide? No. That's so weird. Like, what is the difference here? Obviously, it's wide versus narrow, but like, honestly, not very little difference. Okay. So now we got essentially our running. So it'd be cool to get auto run to work. For that, we can start that, I think. So we gotta go to input. It will be an action mapping, of course. I don't know if it'll actually be an ability or just something that's like straight up code or not. Okay, let's do we'll call it auto run or auto move. We'll do Z for now. Give me just a second, I'm getting messages. Alright, so yeah, we definitely have to be in the character. And it's gonna be under setup player input. We do bind action, right? Bind action. I believe we called it auto move. IE pressed this, and then we gotta make an actual function for this thing. Yeah, I'm really not good about how I set this header file up. Sorry guys, just a moment. It's gotta be void toggle auto move, and it's gotta take in two values: float speed or new speed, and then a bool be enable auto move. I guess we could make const, but okay, let's just figure out something. Generate definition. Not what I wanted. No. Quick definition. No. Generate. Why is it making it inline? I also guess we could make it a U function as well, but I'm not sure why it's doing constantly inlining. We could do that. Just take out the inline part. Just do UE log, like tab warning text. The toggle auto move. We should have bool B auto move, B enable auto move, it's false by default. And we can just do what? New function, return the bool. It But B is auto move enabled. Turn B enable. Auto move. I think something like that. I don't know if I have to do double, but I probably don't. Is there a reference to this I can use? Yeah, okay. What are my U functions doing? Blueprint pures, okay. I can say hero dash auto move. Callable, bam. I was gonna say like big const, okay. Or is it more like const? Yeah, probably like that. Well, that's definitely something there is wrong. Um, I don't know if we can actually make those kind of events here. Before C++. Find action with function that use parameters. Maybe that's the best way. Okay, so our field does have something. That's pretty useful. Yeah, maybe you guys need to see it like that to make it more visible. Maybe I can do like 2 versions of it, where it's like toggle auto move like that, and it's callable like that, and then we'll do another U function from callable. Void toggle move, say toggle auto move internal. So why is this? No. Okay. Let's try that again. So player input, find action, auto move, pressed this, your player character. Do I have toggle auto move? Okay, yeah, so that still is a problem. Whatever. So if we're calling internal, I think we have to also pass things through to player controller. So maybe this should just be done in the player controller. No, I don't want to move anything. Or is it just in character? I don't know. Do we have to constantly? What's that? Do I have to like set velocity or something? I'm not sure. Maybe that'll be for next time. Let's just see if we set up this input stuff correct. Oh, my knuckles. I wonder if anyone has any kind of tips. UE4, C++, auto run. Oh, wait, bills failed. That means we suck. Good job. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so I guess it could be under tick. So V enable auto move hides a class member. Okay. So B, well, no, we want to do that. So bool B do enable auto move. Maybe that's what we need to do. No. Do I have to declare it first? Something like that. Interesting. So does this class actually have B enable auto move as a thing? Let's look. No. Okay, so yeah, those don't have B auto move. That doesn't make any sense to me. Okay, do I have to recreate this? Okay, that was the problem. Cool. Sorry guys, just checking emails. Okay. Windows. Developer tools output log. So Z. Yeah, toggle auto move, toggle auto move. Okay. And then, well, I kind of closed out. So add movement input. Okay. So we could just say B enable auto move equals not get enable auto move, but okay, then do we have an event tick in here? So I guess we could say we can enable it here. And then okay. Now we have to enable tick. So void. No, I think it's float tick. Enable tick. Never remember what that shit's called. Does this have tick? Q? Okay, now I'm curious, so I'll just do a UE log, right? Log temp warning that's tick. Now by default it should not come up because we have should tick to false. Alright, so right, so now I press Z. So tick never happens. Is it really because... Okay, let's look at our character. Tick. Start tick enabled. Tick even when paused. Enable tick. Event tick. And hello. All right. So I guess that has to be true. And then we gotta do tick, set active tick enabled. That should do it, in theory. Okay, it succeeded. That means we're smart cookies. So let's take out this nonsense. Boop. So now, in theory, so it's already ticking by default. Okay, so we gotta just say by default. I mean, can I make this false? And then it'll be okay? Or do I have to do both? Like, make that true and then tell it to enable? Maybe. Ugh. Okay. Z. Okay, so maybe our suspicion was right. Let's... Okay. Forget the name. Try that. All right, let's see. Z. Okay, so it just has to be true. So that's just not a thing. Oops. Maybe fourth time is the charm. It's fourth meal, baby. Why is tick kind of just happening? Does it have to be like on possess maybe? I really hope this is the charm. This is what we're looking for. Because I don't want it to tick automatically. I want it to tick when I say, you know, auto run true, you know? So that's just not the case. So yeah, that's still a problem. But a problem for another day. We'll figure this out next time. At the very least, we at least got our shield and our axe in their default positions. And we got a decent run blend space going. So I'm pretty happy about that. So again, just to kind of preview, we can zoom out a little bit. Like, here's our little jog. It's kind of silly, but I think it kind of fits the style. And then when you sprint, it's like wow. So I think that's cool. I like that. So next, we'll have to look into double jumping, how we want that to look. We'll have to fix rolling and, using our shield and, blocking and bringing that all back. So that's going to be sort of a pain in the ass. And then I also got to move some code from the character to the blueprint, from Blueprint C++ regarding our compass, but that's all another story. So I am pretty happy with where we left ourselves here. So now let's just our usual thing. Let's check out everything and commit everything that we need to. Weapon, no. Weapons, anything? No. Other system, no. UI, I don't think so. Doesn't hurt to double check everything. No. Nothing in player state, nothing in player controller, player character, we just did. Managers, yeah, we were just in there. Item. Nope. Yeah, I don't think we did anything else. So I think we're good to submit this. Fix issues with loading and with attaching axe and shield to player. Added new run while idle, walk, run, blend space. And we can also go to GitHub. Oh, that's our description. Character work, I guess. Commit to main. Push that bad boy. And then we're good. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate it. Tomorrow I have a dentist appointment, so I don't know if I'll be able to work on this tomorrow. Depends on how long it'll take. Maybe I'll be done in time. If I am, great, I'll do it. If not, we'll continue on Wednesday. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.